Do you need to send bulk shipments to your customers, employees, or business partners quickly and at the best price? Stop wasting time creating labels one by one or overpaying for shipping. Meet Ectaroship, the platform that lets you generate bulk shipping labels. Send cheaper, smarter, easier with Ectaroship. Let's see how it works in detail. After completing your registration in 2 minutes, go to the order section on the left menu and click Bulk Order Upload. Next, choose Ectaro format and click Download Sample File. Open the Excel file on your computer and fill in your shipment details. Make sure to complete all mandatory fields marked with an asterisk. Once you've filled everything in, save the file and go back to Ectaroship. Now upload your completed Excel file and click Upload. Your shipment data will appear as pending items. Select all your items, then go to Bulk Actions and choose Change Shipping Method. Pick your preferred carrier, then select all items again and click Create Label. All your labels will be generated automatically. You can print them yourself, or contact our team if you'd like us to print and ship them to your address. And that's it. Once your packages are sent, you can track all your shipments anytime under the Fulfilled tab. Sign up Ectaroship today and start shipping easier and cheaper now.